Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about my 5 favourite BMW E34
wheels.
My 5th favourite BMW E34 wheel is the Style 21 or the M System 2 or the Throne Style. It is the staple of the E34 community. Everybody likes them on their car, and for that reason I have put it in my top 5, but it's not got any further than number 5. At number 4, it's the Style 19. I think it's a 2-piece wheel. I just like the wheel. I think they look ace on a BMW E34 540, a dark coloured 540. They're a 2-piece wheel, and I think they just look weirdly nicely, and it's a cool wheel. So that is number 4. It's the Style 19. At number 3, it's third. It's probably the only stock wheel that's more popular than the Throne Star, and that is the Emperor, the Style 37. So at number 4, it's 37. It's the parallel wheel. It looks great on an M Sport and an M5. I do like them on a sports model E34. They do look quite class on a sports model E34. I think they look a cool wheel, and that's why they are my number 3. The second wheel, my second favourite BMW E34 wheel, is the Style 18 wheel. It's a 1-piece wheel. It's a spoke wheel, and I think it looks great on a 540. It even looks nice on sports model. Excuse me, as we have a sports model E34, and they look great on me with a sports kit on. So Style 18 is my second favourite wheel in the BMW E34 range. But if you don't see at Butler-HQ, our favourite wheel is the Style 16s. Yes, that's right. These are a lovely wheel. They was really unloved back in the day, but people now are starting to really like them, especially the price of all the E34s and getting up now. People are starting to make them look more original now. The Style 16 is where it's at with a 540, especially in 17-inch forms. They are just great. They're like quirky cool. You either love them or you hate them, but we love them. Our bonus wheel is a BMW Style 20. It was designed to call the brakes on the first E34 M5s. Excuse me. Basically, it was a cover, and it's the same wheel as a Throwing Star wheel. It's just got a different cover on, and that was the demise of the wheel, really, because when the new Throwing Star wheels come out, a lot of owners swapped from turbines to Throwing Star to make their E34 M5s look newer, look a couple of years newer, because that was one of the changes through the E34 M5's lifestyle. So a lot of them ended up in garden sheds and they got chucked away. But these are one of my favourite M5 wheels, and I think them just cool and they're functional, and they are understated. That's been my top 5 BMW E34 wheel and rambly wheel video on the BMW E34 wheels. If you did find this interesting, amusing, or anything else, give me a like, subscribe. We are on Instagram and Facebook, Butler-HQ. We share E34 stuff daily. But until next time, I'd like to say thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and bye bye.